Ayon kay Stephen Jay, science is not a heartless pursuit of objective information. It is creative human activity. Hindi naman sa walang puso yung science. Gusto kasi ng science yung facts lang, yung totoo, at yung may ebidensya. Ngayon, hindi kasi sila naniniwala sa mga goddess kasi hindi pa naman 'di ba, hindi pa naman natin nakikita kung totoo ba yung Diyos, ganyan. So gusto nila na makita muna bago sila maniwala. Carl Sagan said, "Science is a self-correcting process to be accepted. New idea must survive the most rigorous standard of evidence and scrutiny." Sabi niya na ang science daw na kailangan dumaan muna sa process or matest muna kung ano yung kung para masigurado kung ano yung totoong resulta, ganun. To Lewis Thomas, science is founded on uncertainty. Each time of we learn sometimes new and surprising, the astonishment comes with the realization that we were wrong before. In truth, whenever we discover a new fact, it involves the elimination of old ones. Ayon sa kanya, ang science daw ay nakabatay sa pagkakamali at pagkukwento ng luma. Ibig sabihin, hindi perpekto ang siyensya. Lagi itong nagbabago at nadidevelop dahil natututo tayo sa mga mali ng nakaraan. Dahil sa pagkakamali na yun, doon tayo, yun yung nagiging tulay para sa mga bagong kaalaman natin. Ernst Mayr said, "It is curious how erroneous theories have had a beneficial effect for particular branches of science." Sinasabi ni Ernst Mayr na kahit mali daw yung mga teorya, nagsisilbi pa rin daw itong tulay para sa mga bagong kaalaman. Then yung maling idea na ito ay pwede din siyang silbing way para matuklasan yung mas tamang sagot. Aristotle said, "Nor must we forget that in science there are no final truth." Daw ay napapaalala na ang science ay walang final truth or final answer kasi habang may mas bago tayong nalalaman, mas lumalawak yung kaalaman ng mga tao. According to Stephen Jay Gould, science is an integral part of culture. It's not these foreign things done by an arcane priesthood. It's one of the glories of the human intellectual tradition. Stephen daw ang science daw ay hindi nahiwalay sa kultura kasi ito yung bahagi ng buhay ng tao at karunungan. According to Halton Arp, of course, if one ignores contradiction observation, one can claim to have an elegant and robust, but it isn't science. Sabi niya na kung hindi daw maganda o matibay yung isang teorya, kung hindi daw tugma yung ebidensya, hindi pa rin daw ito tunay na science. Grotto, some people think that science is just all this technology around. But no, it is something much deeper than that. Science, scientific thinking, scientific method is, for me, the only philosophical contrast that the human race has developed to determine what is reliable truth. Daw ay hindi lang tungkol sa teknolohiya. Ito rin daw yung paraan ng tao para malaman nila kung ano yung tunay at mapagkakatiwalaan. According to Elizabeth, we sometimes forget about the creative parts of science. I think you need to time to daydream, to let your imagination take you where it can. I've noticed among the creative, successful scientific who who really advance things that has a part of their life. Alam niya dito na yung science daw ay may kasamang pagiging malikhain. Kailangan din daw natin ng imahinasyon at pag-iisip na parang nagde-daydream tayo, na parang nakagawa tayo ng bagong kaalaman or nalaman. To Michio Kaku, science, however, is never conducted as popularity contest, but instead advanced through testable, reproducible, and falsifiable theories. Sa kanya, ang science daw ay hindi daw paligsahan ng kasikatan. Dapat daw ito yung nakabase siya sa teorya kung pwedeng subukan, ulitin, or mapatunayan kung tama o mali.